Time for sneaker resellers to go ahead and pack it up. Cause I don't know how y'all living on just sneaker reselling.
As a youth, sitting on the carpet watching cartoons. Who would have thought these kids turn band?
Before we go to pick up these shoes, had to stop at our. This is our favorite.
I think it's our favorite.
We've had a bunch of different ones that we've been to in Houston, but so far this is the one that's had the most decent lunch special. So
yeah, and they do lunch specials on the weekend too. A lot of places don't.
Yep. So we gonna eat and then head to this mall, y'all. So.
Thought these kids turn bandit, crash out playing Crash Bandicoot. Serial to bowl, now he's serial killer winning the news. I'm so confused. What do we do? As a little kid before the weed, beef and broccoli Tims, boxing insecurities, can't boxing me in. Black sheep alone, feeling like the problem again. Me and that voice in my head get to talking again. Building walls within, learn to fake smiles young. All of those albums mold the whole outcome. I'm here. Good raised, been battling fear. As a youth, knew the situation's gravity real for real. Father got me started with the Wu-Tang, probably that other.
Alright, so real quick, I had to run up and grab these right here because I had these posted on OfferUp, so I needed to get these gone. Like I said in the previous video, I'm trying to get rid of a bunch of shoes. If it's been sitting for the past 2 years, it really needs to go. So this is one of those. Taking a huge loss on it, but it is what it is. Rather have it gone than sitting here adding space in the house. So it's all good. Finna grab a bag so I don't just hand them a box, and we gonna head there now. So let's go ahead and get it.
I can use your services today. Go ahead and push it on over.
I want to get my iPhone.
Alright, I love y'all. See you when we get back.
Hit my phone, I'm on my way to you. They tryna play, I need to pay. Yeah, tryna fill up my plate. Yeah, I got the way, they tryna hate. I'ma leave they ass in a maze. Yeah, 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 yeah. I'm in the sea before a week in the mud, I wore cleats. Came from the street tryna shop with Van Cleef. Bad bitch look petite, she know where I be. Posted up in a boutique, and I get paid when I speak. But we grind. I can smell the rain outside. Ain't talking about a park when I tell my youngest slide. Rapping for a time, treat it like a 9 to 5. I ain't lying.
Alright, so we are now back at the house, and as you can see, we got that bag secured. Already had a pair, and if you haven't already seen my last video, if you're new here and your first time seeing this, we didn't hit on the shock drop on Nike, but you know, we do a lot of pickup vlogs here on the channel, so it's not unusual to see us being able to grab some of these pairs from retail stores. We did everything that we needed to. We done had a little lunch date with my wife at Hibachi, sold some shoes, bought some shoes, cut the kiddo's hair, and then now it's just me and you. Wifey's girls night out. So just me, you, and some sneakers. So let's take a look at them. Shouldn't be nothing different than what we've seen already or covered already, but main purpose of this video is essentially just talking about the release in general. You guys can have a field day in the comment section about your final thoughts and opinions on the shoe, how you feel like the release went, and all that good stuff. We still trying to figure out what color this is, y'all. On the uppers, don't know what color that is. They saying it's off-white, but it's not really looking off-white. I ain't gonna hold you. It's kind of looking a little grayish. Do want to clear up a few things that we were talking about in the comment section. Essentially, when I talk about sneakers, the only reason why I kind of talk about sneakers is because there are still a lot of people out there that rely on sneakers as their only way or their only source to be able to get sneakers like this. Now, I'm here to tell you that if this is you, go ahead, step your game up. Go ahead, look into it if you need to. Follow some of these Twitter pages. Just look up sneakers, or some pages that I follow is Soul Links, Soul Retriever. There's a bunch of different people where they have like different websites and different ways to be able to get sneakers like this. The men's sizes didn't fully sell out on Nike at first. Let me double check. Let me do my research. Yeah, so like they have a few sizes there. That's pretty much it. It's 3.5, 4, 15, 16, 17, 18. So if you got a big foot, you can go on Nike right now and get your size. Isn't that great? Isn't that what we all wanted? Hate to be a sneaker reseller around these days, cause time for sneaker resellers to go ahead and pack it up. Cause I don't know how y'all living on just sneaker reselling. But hey, maybe it works for you. What do I know? I only do it a little bit here and there. But yeah, it's time to find a new hustle. If this was your main source of income, hopefully you've already understood that and you've kind of moved on. But there are still a bunch of retail stores or resale stores that like sell shoes like this, and they'll probably pop you across the head for 300, 350 maybe. And I just feel like it's kind of silly in a sense, because I'm just like, why are you charging 350 for something I can get way less on StockX? But I understand you trying to make your money, but from somebody has some type of business ambitions, might want to go ahead and pack it all up, liquidate, and move on. But military blue fours or industrial blue fours, y'all let me know. Did y'all cop today? Was it easy? Was it hard? I actually ended up getting 3 pairs of these, all in the size 11.5. That was in store. And then I had exclusive access where I got a couple other pairs for some old co-workers I had. Those are coming in the mail later on this week. Industrial blue fours, military blue fours, whatever you want to call them, they here. Let's actually look at resale prices, because when you can't get them in the store and they're not in your local area, this is what you have to resort to. So for example, here in Houston, Texas, our tax rate is 8.25%. So traditionally, if you were to spend your money on these right here, these retail at $215, so you would add $215, and then you would essentially add the 8.25%. So retail for anybody living in Texas is going to be $232.74. And right now, when we're looking at StockX prices, just for an 11.5, right now it's going for $254. So, and then when you add on the fees and stuff like that, you're probably looking at paying like $260 to $275. If you're watching this today, because I'm definitely dropping this today, look, go to any Foot Locker or any Champs, go to any JD Sports, any of those above, because there's probably going to be a lot of people that didn't pick these up because they're like, oh, there's no point of me having multiple pairs of these unless I just really like them. So there's probably going to be a whole bunch of people that pass on these. I know I passed up on 2 pairs, so there's 2 11.5 sitting at the store. So I'd be patient, man. Don't jump the gun too early. If you still want these, if you don't want these, look, plenty of other shoes coming out this year. We got Fear 4s, Space Jam 11 lows. Do anybody like Space Jam 11 lows? I know I'm personally a fan, but there's a lot of people out there that doesn't. That's pretty much it, y'all. Hey, y'all clap it up, man. Look, your boy has been doing YouTube for the past 3 years, and I'm excited because your boy has finally hit 1,000 subscribers. Let me pull it up. So 1,002 subscribers, that's me. Never thought. Look, I've been grinding. Look, I've been taking a lot of breaks. I've been, a little lazy on some of the posts, but this kind of motivates me because I'm like, now I was at 900 for a while, and I'm just like, now that I'm uploading a little bit more consistently, we're gonna keep this ball rolling. We're gonna keep this momentum. All right, so if you haven't already and you've seen this video, please subscribe and motivate your boy. If you like the content, look, I appreciate it. Look, I do this for free, so it's just something I really enjoy personally. So to be able to elevate the content the way I like to, you subscribing really makes or breaks that. But other than that, 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna probably drop a video dedicated to that. I might start up another channel here soon for traveling, so stick around for that. But outside of that, man, it's your boy Moody. I'm checking out, man. It's been a long day. I appreciate y'all for sitting through watching with me, hanging out with me for the day. Y'all have a good weekend, good week, upcoming week. And yeah, summer's almost here. I'm very excited for it. So get ready to see my face a little bit more on this camera. And yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video, y'all. Appreciate y'all for watching once again. Hit that subscribe button and the like button. I'm gone.